Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 127 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. After a busy day, this practice will help you reconnect with stillness. In honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, let's take a moment to simply be without needing to do anything. Let's begin by letting the soft sound of birdsong guide your awareness inward. Inhale slowly. Feel the air fill your lungs. And exhale gently. Let go of any tension. With each breath, feel the stillness grow. There's nothing to fix. You don't need to rush, and you are safe in this moment. Again, slowly inhale and gently exhale. Allow your body to rest in the present. Each breath brings more peace and more calm. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room and carry this stillness with you as you move through the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another moment of calm.